I've been with Service Express for almost 4 years now and started out as a sales development representative. One of the things that coming into the company I was excited about was getting more involved into developing my leadership skills. It was something that I had always wanted to get more involved in, but something that I didn't know how to approach. And after receiving a lot of coaching, a lot of feedback, and being aligned with opportunities within the company to practice that, it allowed me to transition into more of a manager role within our sales development team. Since then, because we've seen, our team has seen a lot of growth, we've seen a lot of people have been able to find their next opportunity by being able to start practicing and taking advantage of opportunities to do something that they want to do and something that they excel in. It's been cool to see SDRs move into multiple areas of the business, and one of those being sales functions or inside sales functions. We've seen people move into marketing or internal accounts, maybe other areas of the business that maybe they didn't come in with those expectations. So the cool part about the role that I am in right now, leading a group of sales development reps, is really helping them envision themselves in other areas of the company and of the business. And that to me is something that's very fulfilling, helping people find their path and find their passion and how it aligns with the opportunities that the company has.